John Bell Williams, air traffic, Skyhawk 529er, 1 Whiskey, departing runway 30 to the southwest, John Bell.
Alright, once you leave the taxiway and you're on the runway, you are a runway incursion if somebody's on final. Alright, gauges are in the green. We've got 30 on the runway coming around, and we are going to have 30 on the compass. You ready? Yep. Alright, feet on the floor, full throttle. Scare the birds away. Airspeed's alive. Gauges are green. And we have rotate speed. And we're off. Welcome to the sky.
Only 60.
Huh?
Only 60 miles per hour.
55, yeah, knots.
Knots, right.
Oh, this is smooth.
Yeah.
John Bell Williams, air traffic, Skyhawk 529er, 1 Whiskey is up off 30. We are departing to the west. Last call, John Bell. Jackson departure, Skyhawk 529er, 1 Whiskey, VFR request.
Skyhawk 529er, 1 Whiskey, Jackson for our request.
529er, 1 Whiskey is a Cessna 172. We are 1600 for 4,500 up off of Raymond. We like to get VFR flight following down to Hoto Echo Zulu.
Skyhawk 901 Whiskey, Squawk 1675.
Squawking 1675, 901 Whiskey.
Skyhawk 901 Whiskey, radar contact 3 miles west of Raymond, altimeter 3001.
01 on the altimeter, and that checks. 901 Whiskey.
901 Whiskey, contact Memphis Center 132.5. Have a good one.
132.5, thank you. Epicenter Skyhawk 529er, 1 Whiskey is 3,700 for 4,500.
Number 529er, 1 Whiskey, Memphis Center to Jackson, altimeter 29er, 9er, 9er.
29er, 9er, 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 1 Whiskey.
Number 529er, 1 Whiskey, contact Houston Center 120.97.
120.97 for 901 Whiskey, thank you. Houston Center, Skyhawk 529er, 1 Whiskey, level 4,500.
For some reason, expect you need to turn to just a little bit though. Turn 5 degrees right. And November 52901 Whiskey, I think you checked in via Ford 4600.
That's correct, 4,600, 901 Whiskey.
Or 52901 Whiskey, Roger, Natchez, altimeter 3000, maintain VFR, report to airport spec.
3000 and maintain VFR. We'll report to the airport, thank you.
All right. The weather 12467. How am I doing on my heading?
Decent.
What do you think that is there? Like divided highway? Is that like 61?
That's 61, yeah.
All right, we're about 13 miles out, so we need to start finding the airport.
So when do you start the descent? I mean, what's your descent rate?
The descent rate is going to be about 500 feet per minute, and I'll start around, we need to get to pattern altitude, which is probably 1,200 feet.
And American 2558, I got the space I need from the aircraft behind you. Thanks for that. Maintain Mach .78 now.
I don't know, that's a lot of math. These. so we're going about 2 miles a minute.
American 2558, maintain.
So if we got 10 miles,
thank you.
that'd be 5 minutes, it'd be 2,500 feet. Be about right.
That again, American
Go about 10
2558, maintain
miles
Mach 0.78, please.
And we have to tell Houston Center that we've spotted the airport and that we're going to descend. All right, we're at 10 miles out. I'm just going to call it.
Whiskey, Natchez Airport, 12 o'clock, 10 miles.
Roger that, 901 Whiskey at the airport in sight.
Foxy 901 Whiskey, Roger, radar service command, Squawk VFR, no traffic in the area, and talk to you later.
All right, Squawk VFR, thanks for your help, 901 Whiskey.
All right, so
it's got to be the large opening.
I think it's right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, let's go fly over the airport, then we'll figure out how to get into 13. 13 would be coming this way.
Correct.
So we'd really just be coming out.
Natchez Hardy Field, Skyhawk 52901 Whiskey, 7 miles to the northeast of the airfield, and we're going to fly over and check the winds. Natchez Hardy.
I also think...
Traffic, Cessna 212 mile Bravo, turning left downwind for runway 23, Columbia.
What's the last call for Natchez?
Natchez traffic, Skyhawk 8737 uniform.
We have a lot of shared frequencies for CTAFs. That was just what? Columbia, Natchez. It's nuts.
Natchez Hardy traffic, Skyhawk 52901 Whiskey is overflying the field at 2,000 feet. Natchez Hardy.
Natchez traffic, 20404,
So it's listed, what did that one say? 32? Interesting, it's been renumbered.
Oh, 3-2? What is it over here?
1-4.
1-4, interesting.
And it actually looks fresh. Brand new.
Oh,
it's
yeah,
also
look.
closed.
It is closed.
Yeah.
So maybe like only 3618 is open. Is the whole damn airfield closed? That's crazy. That is not what the NOTAM says. I looked, they don't have anything over about 600 feet around here.
Yeah. Rover is...
So what I'm looking at here is, I just want to make sure that we've got an open taxiway. Yeah, it looks like that runway they've completely gotten rid of. But if we came in on 3618, are they letting us taxi anywhere? Because it almost seems like the taxiways are blocked too.
No, it looks like, no, the taxiway is open. You get over it, you can see that they've made sure you can't turn off the taxiway onto the freshly paved runway.
But like this right here looks blocked. They have like a little red thing on it.
Oh, yeah.
Somebody down there, he's fixing to go. So weird.
Natchez traffic, Skyhawk 8737 uniform, proceeding to runway 18 for takeoff. Natchez.
Alright.
Natchez traffic, Skyhawk 52901 Whiskey is overflying the airfield to the east. We're going to enter the pattern for runway 18. 901 Whiskey.
Alright, so we will give him a wide berth.
So, yeah, the
Natchez
taxiway...
traffic 8737 uniform, where we stay into the pattern. Natchez.
Okay.
So the taxiway is closed. So it's either touch and go or you have to backtrack on
Yeah, back taxi. He's on the taxiway right there. I don't know if they have one taxiway open.
Natchez traffic, Cherokee 72 Whiskey, left base 434, Natchez.
So when we come around here, you'll see him running down the runway. Right there. Yep. Gonna get into the pattern here.
traffic 529 on Whiskey is on a 45 with a downwind for runway 18, Natchez.
All right, 36.
Natchez traffic, Skyhawk 8737 uniform, we're upwind, runway 18, Natchez.
Natchez traffic, Skyhawk 529 on Whiskey, turning left base, runway 18, Natchez.
All right, we got 70 knots coming around to west. Second notch of flaps. Nobody on final. High, we're going to pull power. Get speed dialed in and turn final.
Natchez traffic, Skyhawk 529 on Whiskey, turning final, runway 18, Natchez.
White over white, you're all right. We're high.
Red and white, right? Even.
Yeah. Which would be glide scope for that, or the glide path for that 1,000-foot marker, the larger touchdown zone there.
Right.
There's their VOR right here. You see, here's your high wing. Sitting right up here.
Right.
65 is good speed. I have no idea where we go off this runway. Guess we'll go down to the end and see what happens.
Let you go, because it's blocked on the...
Do that. Alright, rotate, look down the field, pull the power. And we're down. Laps up. And rotate.
Detecting runway.
That's blocked. See, that's what I was seeing
Yeah.
here too.
It's completely blocked.
I guess you just back taxi when you're done. What do you want to go look at Concordia, or do you want to go back?
Skyhawk
Let's
8737
go.
uniform, we're...
Concordia Parish traffic, Skyhawk 529 on Whiskey is on a 45 for the left downwind for runway 14, Concordia Parish.
14, right?
Yep.
Okay. What's their elevation over here?
55 feet.
55 feet, right?
Yeah.
Gas, fuel is on both, lights are on, undercarriage is fixed, mixture's full rich, prop is fixed. Nobody on final. Got no pappy or anything on this field.
Concordia Parish, Skyhawk 529 on Whiskey, turning final, runway 14, Concordia.
They do have
Happy.
one. Yeah. This will be a back taxi. I'll stop here, go look at the FBO, see what's going on. Third notch of flaps, dial it in a little bit, get her stable, light crosswind, 090 if that's still true. Coming this way about 5 knots. We are at 65 knots.
Good on Pappy.
Yeah. Slightly short field. Alright. Way is made. Power to idle.
Concordia Parish, Skyhawk 529 on Whiskey is clear of the active.
Here's a tour of the FBO.
Dr. Pepper machine, billboard, and that's the tour.